Metal surfaces, including anodized aluminum, stainless steel, and aluminum composite, are prone to damage and wear, losing their aesthetic and functional qualities. Presto's Metal Protector series offers a solution with two advanced coatings designed to shield these surfaces from environmental harm, including window cleaning soap scum, concrete leaching, and water stains. Our metal restoration products, EnviroStore MSR and Metal Resurfacer, are preparatory products that revitalize metal, setting the stage for our protective coatings, Metal Protector MD and Metal Protector HD. Choose Metal Protector MD for an invisible, unaltered finish or Metal Protector HD for enhanced gloss and protection. Before applying, ensure surfaces are clean, particularly post-restoration with MSR, using a solvent like denatured or isopropyl alcohol for maximum coating adherence. Apply Metal Protector MD with a sponge or cloth using overlapping circles for uniform coverage. Then, use a microfiber towel to remove excess and avoid streaks. For Metal Protector HD, utilize a sponge roller, brush or sprayer for even application, dilutable with water for spraying. Maintaining the protective coatings is easy and can typically be done just by using water. For optimal results, use Presto's scum-free window cleaning concentrate. Designed for durability, these coatings promise at least 5 years of protection, embodying Presto's dedication to preserving your metal's beauty and integrity sustainably. For further details regarding the Metal Protector series, including detailed product data and SDS sheets, or for tailored support, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for considering Presto Restoration products for your building facade restoration needs.